May 6, 2026, a small private weather station near the frozen mountain of Alaska suddenly stopped transmitting data. At first, nobody cared. These stations fail all the time because of storm, freezing temperature, and wild animals damaging the equipments. But this case was different because right before the signal disappeared, the station uploaded one final audio file. And according to online forums, people who listened to it claimed they heard something impossible. Not a human voice, not a static, something else. Something repeating the same sentence over and over. It saw us. 3 days later, a rescue team was sent to inspect the station. They found what they found raised even more questions. The front door was wide open. Inside, the computers were still running, coffee was still warm. But the two scientists working there had vanished. No sign of violence, no footprints leading away from the station. Only one strange detail: every clock inside the building has stopped at exactly 2:17 am. Even the battery powered watches, police believed it was probably an electrical failure. But then a local pilot came forward with a terrifying story. He claimed that on the same night the scientist disappeared, he saw a massive dark shape hovering above the mountains during snowstorm. No light, no sound, just a giant triangle blocking part of the sky. The pilot refused to speak publicly after giving his statement. And according to rumors online, his plane was later found abandoned at a tiny airstrip outside town. That's when internet detectives began connecting the story to another headline released just a day ago. Recently declassified Pentagon UAP files described mysterious superheated orbs approaching a military helicopter during an aerial mission. Some people now believe the Alaska station may have captured something similar before going dark. But here where the mystery gets stranger. A Reddit user claiming to be related to one of the missing scientists posted a blurry image online. The photo supposedly came from the station's final transmission. At first glance, it looked normal. Snow mountains, dark sky. But when user increased the brightness, they noticed something standing far away on the right ridge. Tall, thin, completely black. And according to image analytics online, the figure was not there in earlier photographs taken only minutes before. The image spread across social media overnight. Some called it fake. Others claimed the government was deleting reposts too quickly. Then came the final twist. On May 11th, an anonymous user uploaded a 14-second audio clip to a mystery forum. The title was simple: Final Transmission. The clip begins with heavy wind sound. Then one frightened voice whispers, "Don't let it near the lights." A loud metallic noise echoes in the background. Some start screaming. And right before the audio cuts out, a deep distorted sound can be heard saying, "We found you." The upload account disappeared less than an hour later. No one knows if the recording was real. Nobody have been found, and officially authorities still say the scientists are only missing. But people online have already given this case a name: the Black Signal Mystery. And tonight, some users claim the original weather station has started transmitting again. Only this time, there's no weather data coming through, just one repeating message, 2:17 am.